Blue Chip Kids. When it comes to investing, it's not just about picking good stocks. To be a good investor, you also have to understand what is going on in the overall economy. And since businesses have become increasingly interdependent or reliant upon each other, knowing how one company is doing can help tell us how related companies are doing. While a rising tide lifts all boats, the opposite is true too. Your stocks probably won't do well if other businesses are doing poorly. So, if you want to buy stock in a computer software company, you'd look at computer sales. If sales are strong, consumers will likely buy the software too, making it a good investment. But if computer sales are down, you might want to steer clear of that investment. See, investing is all about the big picture.